Hello, welcome to Webart. My name is Mayank. Today I am going to teach you a very important thing, how to filter information with a search bar. You can see the demo right now. In my screen I have an input element, and with this input element I want to search the name of the coin. See, you can see there are 10 cryptocurrencies coins. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance coin, and I want to search a specific coin like Cardano. So if I want to write if I write Cardano, the Cardano coin only the information related to Cardano coin should only come. So if I write Cardano, yeah, it is working. It is searching. It is filtering the data. The filtered data only gets shown on the screen. If I write any other letter like P, it doesn't come because there are no name like Cardano. And if I remove all the words, all the letters, starting all the 10 cryptocurrencies coins information come on the screen. And see, at this time I want to search the first the fourth coin, that is Binance coin. If I write BI and by it comes the it is showing the fourth coin. You can see I have written small b, but it is still filtering the information. And even if I add space in between the words in letters like between NNA I have added 2 3 space, still it is still showing the information of fourth coin. Okay, so this is I am going to show you how we can achieve this, that how we can filter the information with a specific search. In this I am searching by name. And first let me tell you how I am getting this data. So I am using an API. You can see on my code I am using an API coinseco.com, and with this API I am getting the data, and the response I got is a JSON. So again I am resolving it with a then and catch block, and when I got the data I am storing to the two variables. The information of 10 coins I am storing to 2 variables, data and filter data, which I have initialized data and filter data with an empty array and a loading flag is starting to. So when I got the data I store to this information to data variable and filter data variable, and in this I am rendering the information of all these 10 in cryptocurrencies coins in a table body heading in a row, and row has a key with a name property, and in a row there are table headings. How many table headings? 6 headings, because I have you can see there are 6 categories, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the first I have the image, the second one has the name, the third one is the current price, the fourth one is a market capital, its market capital, the fifth one is the lowest 24 high, and the sixth one is the highest 24 high. And how and to use this API, you can go to the coinseco.com, the first website. It is a website that is for the cryptocurrencies information, all coins information. So come to the below of the page and you can see the developer API option. Click on it. Click on explore doc. It is loading all the information of API, and you can see I am using this coins market API. You can see coins market API, and to use this coins market API I need to use with an HTTP/ the first the website name that is api.coinseco.com, and after that we have to write API v3 in / API v3. Then we can use any one of these API like coins list, coins market, coins ID tickets, coins. When I click on it, you can see the information of how we can use its parameters, and there is one parameter which is required, VS currency, and its value can be USD, Euro, JPY. You can see I have a USD value, VS currency USD, and the other parameter that is per page I am getting 10 coins information. So even I can write between 1 to 100. So I am getting 10 information. I can change to it. And the good thing is we don't this To use this API, you don't need any API key. It is simply just write its API URL and its parameters from the website, and then resolve its JSON data and with a den and cache block. You can easily get that data. Okay, so this was how I am getting this information of cryptocurrencies coins. Let me explain how I am achieving this functionality. When I am searching by name, you can see if I write Binance coin, it is showing me the Binance coin. See, so what I have done is, see, in the input element I have added an on change event handler. You can see I have declared a function that is searched by them, and I am passing event parameter, and here I have declared that function, so it is accepting that event parameter. So what I am doing inside in it is, so on each input by the user, our function runs, search by name function run, and on each run, our filter function runs. Our filter function goes each element of our main data. It goes on each element of our main data. Main data is always be at 10 information. Our filter data will change when user search it, but our main data will be always remain have the information of 10 coins. Okay, so on each input, our data will be filter on our main data, and by going to each element of an array and checks if any letter whatever user is typing comes on the name of the word. So this is how we are achieving this functionality. Even if I write smallly, it filters all the 4 coins. Like if I want to search the Ethereum coin REUM, it is showing the this specific coin information. You can see I have added smallly, but it still shows, because this is uppercase function is doing that job. And if I add some space in between these words, see, it still shows the information, because most of the time the user makes a mistake by adding a space in between or even don't capitalize any word. So that's why I have added this to uppercase function and replace function in both the scene, on the name property and on the user input. And every time our search result will have an array of objects, 1 or 2 objects, or any number of objects, and our self filter data is adding that search results information to filter data array, and that's what we are every time we are printing on the screen. If I remove all the characters, it shows all the 10 coins information, because right now I want to search the data. I want to search the Dogecoin. So if I write DOGE Dogecoin, it filters that Dogecoin information and shows on this. Okay, so this was all about how we can search information by specific search. In this case, I am searching by name. So, but this is the basic thing you can use with this filter function, and it returns always that filtered objects, filtered elements, and that is the coins information. So with the filter function, and by adding our logic, we can filter data from an array, filter objects from an array, filter elements from an array. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my video, and if you have any queries or any kind of doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will definitely reply to all your questions. And okay, so thanks for watching it. From the starting, I am explaining all things from my own code. So if you have any doubt, and if your code doesn't work, if you code the data from the API, but still some error happens on the filter function or any code, you can simply go to my code repository, which I have added on the description, the GitHub repository. So you can compare with my own code.